Putin has really sad eyes. Like no one was friends with him. Have you seen that video of him extending his hand and literally nobody shaking it because they don't want that photo?
Or
So
the-
there's like plenty of photos of him going like,
Or just like when we were in college, yeah, we used to do that all the
Yeah.
time. Now, hi Rakesh, we used to do that. So we were just doing a Putin
Yeah.
without knowing it. No,
Rakesh is not as lethal as Putin, but yeah.
Oh, we got a few Rakeshes here. Could be tough. Listen, spitting. My wife was working as a waitress in Boston
Huh.
when she was in America, and she told me that all the badly behaved people are desis who
Yeah.
come to the restaurant.
This is
Oh, kuch khila do. Oh, kuch
Yeah.
pila do. You know the just
boss.
the
Hey, boss.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
इसमें मसाला नहीं है. You know, just the rudeness in the
Yeah.
conversation. So all the spitting they would do was for desis. And desis, Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, three of us.
Yeah.
Not Sri Lankans. Apparently they are very polite.
Oh.
So these three are, I mean, why
But
tell us? We
glorious.
know.
Why do you say this? Like the Indian passport is doing so well.
It is.
It is.
We don't have visa in about 50 countries now.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
don't get.
Yemen, Syria, and 48 more.
And there's only a year's waiting to get a US visa interview, na?
Yeah.
Only 1 year.
you're-
Good, that's great.
You're leaving?
Huh?
That's just kidding.
No, I'm not leaving. I can't leave now. I have roots here.
Yeah, you're a tree. You know, since you have become a tree now, because you'll have. Can we
Yes.
talk about the fact that your tree will become 6? 2 into 3. Isha,
Yeah.
thank you for coming here.
Of
I'll
course.
also hold
Yeah,
my pillow.
just it's for the bump to be comfortable.
Bump.
Yeah.
Oh God, there's so much we can do with that.
Oh yeah, there's no, but yeah, you
Yeah. But I hate the pillow anywhere else except, as you can see, we have professionals in the studio.
yeah.
This is going to go on. Epidemic is happening outside. But yeah, I feel that we should be comfortable. So
Yeah,
where
we should be comfortable.
Yeah.
Also, these chairs are really comfortable.
You like them?
Yeah, I
You
like
want to take them home?
I don't mind. I'm always doing up something or the other in my house. Or
We'll give
something
you a
like
good price.
that. Really? Oh, फिर क्या फायदा?
Just kidding. Okay, Richa, let's get right into this. So much to talk about. We were to talk about the fact, I don't know if you want to talk about the fact that you're going to be a mom or not. Because I know my wife was very touchy when we were pregnant. And
Touchy
didn't like
in the
to-
sense we
Oh, no,
don't
not touchy.
tend
She's
to
never been
get,
touchy like that.
like frisky.
No. Nahin.
But
No,
that's
frisky,
also-
my wife.
It's
My
also
wife-
hormonal. You
have
know,
you-
it happens.
It is, but her hormonal issue is, I think, from childhood. And also, she seems to be a very, her philosophy is more fascist. So, than
Your
lover.
wife looks perfectly
I got a more
lovely.
Stalin vibe. And not,
Stalin vibe.
not Tamil Nadu Stalin, the original.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
original
so
guy.
That was the vibe I got.
You know, in the original guy, when they would take photographs of him,
Yeah.
over time, those black and white photographs started missing people. Those were all his opponents who he kept killing off one by one.
Or who disappeared.
Yeah, who
even in Russia today,
disappeared,
they
like-
the opponents do disappear. This guy went for a walk outside his prison and never
Yeah.
returned.
Yeah, they disappear sometimes. They just get poisoned in the UK.
Get poisoned. 2 scientists fell off the 3rd floor of their office. You
Yeah.
know, which is like a glass window and I mean, it just didn't. I mean, but you
I
know,
love the way the world is going. Makes me feel really positive about bringing
I love
new
the
life.
I love when the TASS does a press conference to explain what happened, and everybody's like, "Wow, really? How sad? Vladimir and Igor, they jumped by mistake."
I think, but don't you think? I was thinking about it. I think Putin has really sad eyes. Like no one was friends with him. Have you seen that video of him extending his hand and literally nobody shaking it because they don't want that photo? So there's like plenty of photos of him going like,
Or just like when we were in college, yeah, we used to do that all the time. Now, hi Rakesh, we used to do that. So we were just doing a Putin
Yeah.
without knowing it. No.
Rakesh is not as lethal as Putin, but yeah.
Oh, we got a few Rakeshes here. Could be tough.
Kaun hai
Listen,
Rakesh?
let
Anyway.
me just tell you that Putin's issues are not only Putin's issues. Across the world, there are many Putins.
Yeah, there are many Putins, there are very Xis,
Yeah, and more. But
and more.
but not in India.
Oh,
Not
no,
in
no,
India.
no, no.
Yeah, it's
In
a
India, we have
beautiful
everything
country.
beautiful, stunning.
And look at the metro work that, almost ready after 40 years.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
so
amazing.
happy.
I'm so glad they cut more trees for it because
They just killed a tree yesterday.
Yeah.
I was celebrating.
yeah, the
Yeah.
300-year-old tree, right?
Yeah.
You read about it?
I did. I was so
Ah.
proud. Yeah.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah.
you're 300 now. You might
Why
as well
stop
be
there?
dead.
There's so many 80-year-olds which should be shot as well. Why? I don't know why just attack the trees.
I know, just push them off balconies,
Young
right?
society, of
Yeah,
course.
absolutely. I think then we'll have a real heat wave. Right now, what we have is, and then we can do the whole boiling frog thing very well because then we can feel the heat. You know?
You're just saying something what I remember in 2020. I think we had that terrible May where we had the storms and all that.
Yeah,
And in my lane, all the trees, many of the trees just got killed.
yeah.
Like, I remember coming back, I felt so sad because there's a
Yeah.
shade when I walk my dogs, which I stand under while they do their stuff and all. And I went there by, classical conditioning and there was nothing.
Those trees need an embankment.
Okay,
I
that's a
mean,
very big word. आप हिंदी में बात कीजिए. I
मैं
don't know
बोल
what this
रही
embankment
थोड़ा सा
embankment
एक
है.
फ्रेम चाहिए होता है पेड़ को ना
हाँ.
अपनी जड़ें फैलाने के लिए.
Correct, that's true.
Correct.
That's true. And that's good. The depth also
Yes,
is an
of
issue.
course.
Yeah.
A tree grows as much in the top and like a quarter below it.
Sounds like my relatives.
Yeah.
But yeah, so great work that they're doing with the destruction of the trees.
Yeah,
And the
yeah.
fact that they promise the trees will be given back, put back in the same space.
Yeah, that's
like you
lovely.
take a tennis ball and
I
then you
love
return the
that
tennis
they
ball.
think that they can just move to another planet. That's
Yeah.
my best part.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because they look like they've been boiling the most. If you look at them,
Yeah.
they look like they've been properly tandoor में कोई रख के उनको लेकर आया
Wow.
है ना?
Is that a reference of the Delhi murder?
No.
Oh my God.
But I was a
My
kid
heart
when it
skipped a beat.
happened. Yeah.
You were a kid, no?
Yeah.
So that means I was not so much of a kid, but I was also younger, much younger.
Yeah, but I was in Delhi at the time.
And I've eaten there.
Yeah.
You
Oh.
must have eaten there. I won't mention the hotel.
No, I don't think I ate there because, but
The open tandoor and all. I remember it so clearly.
yeah.
Because as a young guy, you love places where you can actually see the food and all that.
Yeah, you can.
Being prepared.
Yeah, I still love it. What if the chef spits?
I still order Zomato when I'm there.
Oh.
Just for safety. Yeah.
जाएगा कौन?
Listen, spitting, my wife was working as a waitress in Boston
Huh.
when she was in America, and she told me that all the badly behaved people are desis who
Yeah.
come to the restaurant.
This is
Oh, kuch khila do. Oh, kuch
Yeah.
khila do. Just
boss.
the
Hey,
yeah.
boss.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
इसमें मसाला नहीं है. Just the rudeness in the
Yeah.
conversation. So all the spitting they would do was for desis. And desis, Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, three of us.
Yeah.
Not Sri Lankans. Apparently they are very polite.
Oh.
So these three are, I mean, why
They're
tell us? We
glorious.
know.
Why do you say this? Like the Indian passport is doing so well.
It is.
It is.
We don't have visa in about 50 countries now.
Yeah, we don't get.
Yemen, Syria, and 48 more.
And there's only a year's waiting to get a US visa interview, na?
Yeah.
Only 1 year. Good, that's great.
You're leaving?
Huh?
No, just kidding.
No, I'm not leaving. I can't leave now. I have roots here.
Yeah, you're a tree. Since you have become a tree now, because you'll have.
Yes.
Can we talk about the fact that your tree will become 6? 2 into 3. Rishi is clapping. It's the death of comedy for him. He comes from Panvel for this show. It's very painful.
Really?
Yeah, it's like those kids who come from outside Delhi to become stars and all that, or Mumbai, and work very hard, 2-hour drives.
Like
and,
me, yeah.
Like you.
Yeah.
So for them, every moment has to be accounted for.
Yeah.
Not like us who just turn up and say anything. 2 trees are 6. I've been saying that since I was young. No? Anyway, so quick word now that you brought it up.
Yeah.
So we're going to be a mother.
Yes.
Not me, but I'm being polite.
Yeah. You are already a father.
I am.
Of 2, I think.
It's a big title.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's say
Daddy.
I have children.
Yes, you have
I'm
children.
responsible for 2 children.
And many dogs.
I love dogs.
Yeah, I love dogs too.
I think I'm a more animal person. I don't know how to explain to people, oh, but they're not human beings. You should take all the dogs home and all
No,
that.
I think they're superior, more intelligent, more
It's
empathetic.
just- exactly.
They have more integrity and character.
Exactly.
I stopped even calling someone kutta or
Never.
bitch.
That's the worst
Like,
thing.
yeah, I know.
What do they do? Hindi movies are disgusting because of that. This whole thing about kutta ka maut and all. What are you talking about?
No, I think kutte ke maut, they're just talking about the road rage, the dogs that killed.
Oh,
kid,
that's
like,
actually true. Huh?
Yeah,
The
I
worst
think-
thing are cars on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
You're making me
horrible.
depressed now.
No,
Let's
don't
talk
be
about,
depressed.
We were talking about human beings dying. All was so nice. Why do you
Yeah.
switch?
I know, but plenty human beings will die.
Huh.
I think 3 people died yesterday due to a sunstroke.
Really?
Yeah, heat wave.
Oh,
Plant more trees.
I thought sexual. There's this young kid. Hey, come here, uncle. Let me stroke. And next thing you know, heart attack.
This video
This is SUN, son. In case you didn't pick it up.
extremely inappropriate, but it's fine. Yeah.
This is kind of.
I love that I can fly under the radar because because of you
So
actually.
your relativity, the theory of relativity, that no matter how crazy you are, I'll be worse, so you'll sound okay. Is that what
Yeah,
you're saying?
kind of.
Brilliantly done.
Yeah.
Brilliantly done.
No,
But today
absolutely.
I've decided I'll switch. Because you're quite the wit. So I'll
Yeah.
just hang back a little and all the blame will come on you.
No, you can't. Like,
No, you can't because you're a ma now. Once you become a ma in India, you're just like
Yeah.
you're almost like a cow.
I-
like in
yeah.
that in the I
I
mean
am-
in terms
I
of
am like,
I mean in terms of
holy
position.
cow. Yeah, I am,
If that
I
came out
am.
wrong, Richa,
I
don't
know.
slap. Let's export Indian youth between 18 and 25 males.
that's also happening, no?
Let's just send them off.
No, but they are already going because.
Where are they going?
some were sent to Israel also for jobs. Can you imagine sending someone
So
to
one thing about,
Israel
one
for
thing about
jobs
Indian
right
Indian
now?
business acumen, we're the only people who sell tickets to Ukraine, to Tel Aviv, to
No,
Gaza.
but people are stuck actually
I
in
know, but I'm just
Ukraine
thinking.
and
I remember
Israel.
you're joking about this, but when the pandemic was going on and all that,
Yeah.
we were the first people to go to Thailand when Thailand opened because the rates were ridiculously low. So people said, "मरने का chance 50%, but सस्ता तो मिला 50%." ये करके Thailand भाग गया लोग. I swear on my mother, now this is true.
Yeah.
We just supported the industry because he brought the rates down. Forget it, यार. हो जाएगा अभी कभी कभी बीमारी यार. What is the big deal?
Yeah. Oh God.
Take 6 relatives, 4 will come back. Good, yeah. Happy Diwali. All good.
It's so dark. This podcast.
But this is true.
yeah.
It's Indian business acumen. I love it.
I also love that we're speaking so fast. For most people,
Yeah,
like the
nobody listens.
नहीं also slow IQ पता नहीं चलेगा. I've been doing Bollywood interviews ना.
You know our listeners. So sweet.
Yeah, they are, no, not these guys. These guys are
guys.
smart.
You think?
I think so. Yeah. Who'll keep up otherwise with this rates
It
words
normally,
per minute?
it's like our market is middle-aged, middle-class women from the eastern parts of India who basically are on the treadmill at this point. when
Oh,
they play this.
really?
So the machine sound is there and all. You can't really tell.
Wow. You know, the new East
By the way,
India
where do you
company.
vote? Because you're a Delhi girl, but you're also a Bombay girl.
Yes,
so how does it
but
work?
I vote in Warsaw.
Oh, so you're
Yariraj.
domiciled in Mumbai. What
Yes,
have
I
you got the
got
card?
for the last election 2019.
Wow.
Yeah, I got my voting shifted to here. I'm quite serious about it.
Yeah, I go by the name, according to the government, SYRES. And I claim it. I don't argue.
Yeah.
And, whatever, they won't get into my surname. They're creative. They
Yeah.
come up with something.
It's better than mine because my name in Hindi is written as Richa. That just means
Like
bear.
bear. Sorry. Wait, cow, bear. What's going on?
Richa
Glamour girl.
Glamour girl.
Yeah.
But loosely translated, it just means bear, and Bermuda.
Or with the Tamil slant, it would be Richa.
Yeah.
And then the would come in. I'd like that.
Yeah, that would be nice. But it's the ch sound that bothers me because I'm really not that hairy, you know?
No, you're not at all.
Yeah, I'm not.
Neither am I, actually.
Yeah.
I'm a wannabe female.
Yeah, you're not.
But calves are okay because that's
Yeah.
male. But as you go up, it's less and less.
Yeah.
I mean, not that anyone goes
No,
up.
since
mean,
they're
quite
going
often
up,
stop right there.
we have to again compliment Cyrus on his impeccable chest workout photos
yeah.
that continue to flood the. Oh wow, that's just amazing prowess.
Yeah.
That's just.
That's
so
the only thing
cool.
I can do anymore, I mean, that's my cocktail party trick. Brocha ko bulao, chalo, ab pesh karte hai the great Cyrus Brocha. But I can do to like proper music and all. you know,
Yeah.
just
That's
sing,
just. But it's
Choli
amazing.
ke piche kya hai? Choli ke piche.
It was remixed recently. Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah, they should have called you for it.
I like that song. I think they banned it or something. I'm trying to remember the 90s.
No, they didn't ban it.
It was
they
like double
banned
meaning
the other Karishma Kapoor song, which was sexy. Yeah.
Yes. Why did they ban that? It was one word.
No idea. And
Anyway, North
they made
Indians.
it baby,
you-
baby.
I know, but you all say saxy anyway, so nobody knows what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, saxy, yeah, man.
I have a friend called
Saxi,
Sakshi.
Yeah. Oh,
Her
Sakshi,
grandmother
Sakshi.
calls her Saxi.
Yeah. How sweet.
Saxi. Anyway.
Saxy. Listen, we haven't discussed. We are here to discuss your career.
Yes,
But-
my career is great.
But before you go to your accents, and then I'm like talking to a crazy person.
Yeah.
You're going to be a mother, so how's that going? The preparations? Are you feeling pressure?
I am feeling a lot of pressure on my
Okay.
bladder, but
Okay.
no, I'm
Why
joking.
did I even ask?
Yeah. No, it's I found out quite late actually, but it's fun. Like I'm wanting to see, but the thing is, I think people were like expecting me to soften down or just
Oh no, the hormones go out of control from what I remember. There's
Yeah.
no softening.
I
It's a little
think
more
the
irritable.
opposite is happening.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm becoming a little militant with people. I'm losing patience.
Oof. Yeah.
Like yesterday, someone was driving on the wrong side of the road. I just like looked at them and I swear I thought they burnt to cinder
I
for a
wish you had that
second. I
power.
was like,
I hate people on the wrong side of the road. Really.
oh my God, really?
And I hate their reaction. Their reaction is never sorry. It's just trying to give you room with their chin.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that. I mean, they never understand what they do. I mean, where do we start also? I
Yeah.
want to call the British back. Start from 1947.
No,
As
let's
they
not
leave.
call the British
No,
back.
as they leave, we restart.
If we call them back, they have to come back with the money.
All right, listen, let's fight one people at a time.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
We're fighting the Indians right now. I can't fight
Yeah.
the British and the Indians at the same time. And that
Yeah.
too.
I think Indians, we shouldn't fight only. And I think we are doing a good job. Like the government is doing a great job with Indians fighting with themselves. So that'll be like things will cancel
Are we
themselves
looking at
out.
state government or center here? Who are we talking about?
It's all the same.
It's somewhat the same, but not
Sabka malik
exactly.
ek hai.
I'm a regional person. I'm only interested in my state issues.
Yeah,
I've
I'm
given up
also
on the rest of
interested.
India. I can't really help them.
Yeah, I do love Maharashtra and I love Mumbai.
Well, love is a huge word. I wouldn't go that far.
Yeah.
Having gone up and down. But
Yeah.
but having said that, I'm talking about my locality.
Yeah.
I like my little world is whatever it is of 7-8 kilometers, my
Yeah.
real world.
No, I
not
mean,
the work world. So
I love like 7-8 kilometers close to my house is that flyover that didn't connect.
Gokle.
Yeah. It's lovely because you can go and you can look down and you'll be like, hey, it's like a little high jump that we need to do. You know?
Why can't the minister in charge of infrastructure
Hmm.
and development and all that, why can't he lie down in that gap and then someone
Yeah.
should take the sacrifice, ultimate sacrifice, and main karunga.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
the cars can. But
I
this
think
is
it's
a
a
small
whole
gap.
tribal ritual to cement people as a punishment.
No, I think it was like their version of Padma Bhushan. It's like an award. You've done so well for समाज के लिए क्या क्या किया डाल दो उसको अंदर. And then there's a huge puja aarti
फिर
and
भी
everything.
साइकिल जाएगी ना खाली एक आदमी होएगा तो वी नीड अ टीम ट्रक जाने के लिए we
It
need
depends on the
7 or 8
size of the
people.
species also.
Yeah,
no?
that's
But I get your point.
Yeah,
Make a list. I'll pass it on.
I would love to, except that no one knows who any leader is.
Mumbai, no one
Nobody
knows. Mumbai, I feel very bad for guy canvassing.
Yeah.
मुझे to tell boss मैं हूँ वो पोस्टर मेरा पोस्टर है. So, क्या बात है? कौन है तू? And the worry part is that last weekend he was with Congress. Now he's with Shiv Sena.
Yeah, people are like, who are
But
you
boss,
supporting?
yeah.
And I'm like,
No,
does
and
it
by the time you
matter?
win, are you with BJP? We don't even know.
We don't
because
know.
you're traveling.
Hey, yesterday someone defected after the voting was
He
done.
did?
That was amazing.
did?
Yeah, I
And
was
then-
just like, what
and-
gymnastics?
And they look, it's about the guy on the one way who has that no sharam feeling. Na? It's
Yeah,
the same
yeah.
thing. They look happy.
Yeah, they look happy.
Nobody's worried about कि philosophy
They
एक
look-
चीज है and all that. It's not important.
No, ideology.
Yeah,
philosophy,
ideology.
कुछ नहीं.
Oh,
अरे
what's
क्या
that?
ethics?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
Yeah,
I don't need to look my kids in the eye.
But I've been going on saying this that actually the truth is they're secular people.
Yeah.
They don't believe what they are saying because they
Yeah.
switch from left to right in 1 second, literally.
Yeah, literally.
So we are the idiots who believe, oh, इसने क्या बोला, अरे ये करना पड़ेगा, ये लोग
we are
खराब है,
idiots.
ये बेकार है, ये wrong है.
We're idiots. I just saw like huge asbestos and like those Plex hoardings about climate change and plastic
Yeah.
pollution with a bunch of dudes, all of them really ugly, just smiling at you. Whose idea was a bunch of dudes smiling at you from every corner?
I don't think
With like a tiny picture of a god and huge pictures of ugly human
the
beings,
average
men.
Indian male should not be on a poster.
That I
We have the odd John Abraham, you put him up fine, but it's not everybody here, for God's sake.
Yeah, I
There are
agree.
children on watching these things, they can't sleep
Yeah,
at night.
yeah.
You pass happy birthday to Avishkar ji and all that, and your kids are like, "Wah!"
Yeah.
I mean, you're going to have a child, you'll cover the face every time you're
No,
passing a
that's
bridge.
true. I don't even look up
And what
anymore.
are these list of faces that they have?
Yeah.
Everybody's there.
Everyone's
the
there.
entire locality, the
It looks like
dukandar.
that IIT, jab IIT
Yeah.
students
Oh,
clear
those
those
things, yeah.
kids who are
Yeah.
like that.
The list of all of them who
Yeah.
98.2.
There's one lady in particular in the Andheri region who has this poster of, like, I call it the smelled fart poster because she's always like,
Oh, she's got it. But that's, see,
She's got
I'm
all
willing
the
to then
hoardings.
look at that poster because she's giving expression. All of them others have this benign smile. That's it.
if they have a smile.
Yeah, whatever. But
Yeah.
aesthetics is not my thing. I'm no beautiful human being. But really, I look at that.
No,
and
you are a beautiful human being
relatively,
inside and out.
Relatively.
Relatively, yes.
Inside, I don't know. Huh? I got to tell you, I've never used soap.
No, but I meant
Not
your
nothing.
intestines and things.
Wow, you're forward, yaar.
Yes, yeah.
Ali must be really worried about dinner conversation.
He is. Sometimes he's just like, what will come out of her mouth?
Really? Does he get embarrassed?
He's very proper, so
Yeah,
sometimes
I know. I think he's great, but he's not as crazy as you are. There's no
he's
doubt.
not as
Yeah.
crazy as I am.
So if you say
He has
something,
momentary, fits of craziness. But overall, he's
he's Mr. Nice Guy.
Yeah.
I don't think he's going to say anything, slightly wrong and all that. I don't think he's a happy guy doing that.
No. Especially not to like women. He's very proper like that. He's cultured family, Nafasa.
So when there's strangers in a group or whatever, and you say something slightly obnoxious or
Yeah.
slightly, straightforward and blunt,
He sometimes when really rubbish people come and ask for a photo, but they don't know who you are. They just know you are someone famous and They're
Oh,
doing
that's
it for.
lovely.
I love.
Those are the
that.
rubbish people I love.
Yeah.
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 They ask you, "Kaun hai?" At least with me, they ask,
नहीं
they take the photo.
they compliment you on the
Yeah.
wrong film.
Oh,
They're like,
lovely.
आप बहुत अच्छी थे उसमें. I'm like, अच्छा.
But you take the compliment. That shows your character.
Depends on my mood. Sometimes
must take
I'm
the
just like, मैं
compliment.
नहीं थी यार. तू हट ले. And then
Oh.
sometimes, and then he's in awe of me. He's like, wow, I don't know how you could refuse a photo.
What would he do? He would sign.
He'd be like, no, he also gets irritated. He has a rage side, but it's like very, very once in a blue moon.
I think that's because he had to date Victoria. And that's a
Yeah.
hard act.
That is a hard
You
act.
try, dating an 80-year-old woman who's also a queen.
Yeah.
In the old-fashioned way, not today's...
But I think they had a platonic romance
think?
over Urdu.
I asked him.
Urdu.
But you can't really know.
You can't really know. No.
But because-
But everyone has feelings, yeah.
Of course. I mean, it's definitely more than just a normal relationship. Not normal.
Yeah.
Conventional relationship. let's
Yes,
say.
yes.
And why not? She's a lonely old woman and
She's
you need
in a
love.
position of power.
Yeah.
Yeah. So many people who are lonely old
Yeah.
men marrying.
Although I thought Ali Fazal looked much better than the original Abdul. I saw some...
I agree. The original Abdul
So I'm
was.
thinking, if he was really the Abdul, definitely they'd have been sleeping together by the second weekend. This is
Yeah.
my prediction.
Yeah.
Sorry to tell you.
No, don't be
because
sorry.
Abdul was really that Abdul.
Yeah.
So, it took a little longer.
Yeah, I think it took a very long time.
But-
And a podgy also.
Why are we discussing this? I don't know.
I
Because
don't
we're here
know.
to discuss a movie for which...
No, it's a show.
a show for
Yeah.
which Manisha did not turn up.
What?
We were waiting.
She didn't turn up?
She promised to come. And by the way, she didn't turn up in MTV in 1997 for a movie as well. Again, we were waiting.
I
Then we
think-
paid for the studio. Manisha, if you're watching, that's two.
Strike three. And
Not
then
that I'm
it's like-
petty and I remember these little things.
It's just a faded memory from 1997,
Yeah.
October 25th.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm joking. She gets really tired. I want to say,
No, it's
jump
okay.
to
I'm just
her
kidding.
defense.
Who knows what happened? But she didn't come and
No, she's
we really wanted to meet her as
Yeah.
well because we haven't met her ever. And the crew wanted to meet her.
she's been burning the candle at both ends, and she's really sweet.
Yeah.
Actually,
She went through that whole thing with, I don't want to get into it, but, would have liked to ask her actually.
Yeah. No, she's really come, she's really, and what's lovely about someone like that is that, she's like gardening and things. When you feel like you've got a second lease at life,
Yeah.
coming back from fourth stage
That's
cancer
a great
is
point.
like,
The quality of your life is now fabulous in the sense that you don't waste a minute. You do different things.
you don't
value
waste
it.
a minute,
Yeah.
and then you feel like everything's a bonus.
I went through this. I don't want to belittle cancer. I went through this when I got married. The next weekend, when my wife went back to Hyderabad, I was like, guys, let's rock. I then appreciated freedom so much. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was so happy. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Why?
no.
Why
It's
am I
not
going there?
belittling. We'll all get there. If you've been eating MDH and Everest masale, we'll all have cancer. So
I love
it'll be
masala.
like-
So,
Yeah.
I eat, if you put
I
masala...
want to know, do you know if the MDH owner, the old man with the mustache,
Is he
what
the owner?
was his...
He's just a picture.
No, he was the real owner. But he passed away in the COVID times. Yeah.
So he was the owner as well.
Yes.
I don't
And he
wanna-
was also the main model.
Now he's
for-
behaving like the politician in the poster.
Yeah.
Mera product, I want my face. I'm just saying that's a little...
Yeah, but that's also like, but people buy that shit. You know what I mean? So like,
But when I think about it, this is a very American thing where everybody just thinks ki, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. But everything is bad if you really... I mean, the other day, recovering from diabetes, so I'm trying to have these... What's that thing called? The sugar, which is...
insulin.
No, the sugar which...
Sugar-free.
The sugar substitute thingy.
Yes.
With S, Splenda.
Okay.
So then somebody attacked me. Like, how can you have this Splenda? It's carcinogenic. I'm like, one packet of the Splenda in my stupid drink.
Yeah.
Am I really going to get
No,
cancer?
that
I mean,
one
it's-
packet thing doesn't hold because, like,
That's what
one
I'm
packet
saying.
of cyanide can also kill you. 'cause
Oh,
you
that's
feel
what you're
like a
saying.
little
Okay, well, what I'm saying, what you're saying is two different things. Then.
bit. Yeah. I'm saying
But
what.
what is the data based on that this much of Splenda is going to destroy me once a week or twice a week or something like that? It's a bit too much. Yeah.
No, dude, ऐसा मत सोचो. But maybe you can buy stevia leaves and have someone boil them. They're as sweet and they don't have a aftertaste.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Richa, I'm going back to Patanjali. I find that you're,
No,
you're
no,
too
do
rigorous
not.
in your
Do
thinking, and
not.
I want my simple
No,
fix.
you can go back to Patanjali,
Yes,
but I don't know if he can himself go back to Patanjali.
They have
He's
changed-
apologized.
Yeah.
There was a beautiful
have to change-
non-apology in the papers.
They had to
We are very
they had to
sorry.
re-apologize. They had to
Yeah.
re-apologize because the apology wasn't an apology.
Yeah.
So he and the guy called Balakrishna, his number 2 guy.
Yeah, the one with the teeth.
Yeah. The one who did the talking, thank God.
Yeah.
So the judge and there was a panel.
I think they are the ones who are friendly.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah, what?
I got legal disclaimer. Your views are your views. I don't
No,
know
I
about all
just said
this.
they're friendly.
Okay, I'm just discussing the fact that I don't want to get cancer and can I have splendor? That's it.
I think my PR is distracted. Otherwise,
No,
he
your
would.
PR is not interested. He's playing Pokemon. He's from my generation.
Actually, he doesn't understand English. That's why I take him to your podcast because I'm just like,
you're too
तुझे
high.
कुछ समझ नहीं है.
Richa, you're too highbrow for a lot of people. So they're just switched off.
Yeah,
the good thing is when
that's
people with
true.
some intelligence talk, a lot of people don't listen.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's why I couldn't ever start my own podcast.
Or give a
because what,
speech.
like, yeah.
Yeah. Will you stand for elections ever?
No.
I think you should.
You.
You're very personable. You're a star. I think you should.
No.
What's wrong?
Because the rest of the scum, man.
Start your own party. Kejriwal's doing so well. Oh, sorry.
He's in jail.
I know.
But no. I mean, of course, there are some nice people out there who are nice.
Name
but
3.
Like, huh?
Amar Akbar Anthony.
No,
उसके बाद कौन है?
I mean, Atishi Marlena, Priyanka Gandhi,
Okay.
and Mahua Mitra. There you go. Three
Clearly,
beautiful female.
your politics have been defined. Disclaimer.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Fair.
Yeah,
Yeah.
why not?
Yeah, and also woman power.
Yeah,
Which
woman power.
If Rahul had just got correct at one time, would have
Yeah.
helped a lot. Unfortunately, paid for that in many ways. That silly interview where he stumbled a little bit.
Who?
Rahul Baba.
I don't even want to remember that interview with
No,
Garnab.
Karnam. But the thing is that I find those interviews are very unfair because you're stressed. The person who's stressed, it's not a performance of how he does under stress in that sense. It's more about statesman qualities and
It's
leadership
also
qualities.
about
No, not about a
pig
speech
wrestling.
debate contest.
It's
Sorry?
also about pig wrestling and like, I mean, to be honest, like
Google it. I have no idea what she's talking about. Or Daru Kamkar.
So I mean, I don't want to be in politics. I just feel like people outside.
That's what Mr. Kejriwal said. Huh?
Who?
Mr. Kejriwal said, I don't want to be in politics. I don't want to stand for election. I never stand. And then he does.
Yes, good for him.
No, I'm just saying people can change their mind. It's not like a bad thing.
I'm too chill, yeah. I mean, I want to do work outside, maybe like build communities
I
and
didn't want to be a virgin all my teenage life.
And then-
now I want to be a virgin. So perspectives change, is what I'm saying.
the thing is, you could be a virgin.
No, I'm a
even
virgin,
now.
but I'm a virgin not out of choice. That's a different thing.
But but you can't do anything twice born or some like. Can't you, find yourself again? at
According to
this-
karma theory, I can do everything. Exactly. I could come back as this plant, which is a plastic.
I want to tell you about a sexual healing retreat that happens in Tulum.
Where?
Tulum in Mexico?
Oh, these rich people.
No,
I'm thinking,
I have not
I'm thinking
gone
Tulu,
there.
Is it the language that we speak in the Karnataka area a little bit?
No, that's Tulu and
Or Tulu in France is something similar sounding, if I remember
that's
correctly.
Toulouse.
Toulouse. That's also the guy who doesn't get his deposit.
Okay, but yeah, I don't know why I said that. Maybe
No, so what is the sexual healing? What does it do?
I don't know. Apparently,
You understand,
they-
for Indian men, the sexual healing is what? Trying to find a woman saying yes. So it's a very different sexual healing. I go all the way to freaking Mexico
No, I
and
think
nobody says yes.
it's
I spend
about
all that money, I come back and
balancing, the male and female energies. I don't know
Oh.
too much about it, but apparently,
in
it's
the person, both the energies you're saying?
yes, in everybody there's the male,
and
and the
female.
female,
Yeah.
and it comes
least
from the
according to Canada.
concept of tantra. So I think it has an Osho connection or something, but I
Love
don't know
that
enough
guy.
about it.
Love
Yeah,
that
love that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
99 Rolls Royces. He lived little longer.
yeah,
Get the 100.
yeah,
God could have been little kind there.
yeah.
Could be run out at 99.
Yeah.
Azharuddin also 99 test matches. Then that scandal thing and he didn't play again. 100. One more.
Yeah.
Ah, Richa, you make me so sad.
No, don't be sad, please.
Huh.
You make people happy.
No. Oh, God. I sound like a massier in Thailand. Come here. See these hands? Okay. We're here to talk about Hira Mandi. Can we discuss this?
Yes, Hira
I'll take a
Mandi
break in a minute.
is a show. It's going to release on the 1st of May on Netflix.
Richa, tell us a little bit about the thing. I know I vaguely know about it, but I'd like to hear from you. So it's based on a real story? A true story?
I think there's a geographical place there.
Somewhere in
And,
Lahore.
yeah, I think it's lifted, like it's inspired from true events, but I think there's a lot of course,
So-
it's the Bhansali world, so everything is kind of grander, beautiful, etc.
Can he come on the podcast? Please ask him, no?
He's really funny though. If he comes, it'll be hilarious.
Who Gujarati boles thodu thodu.
Huh.
We'll be able to talk.
open.
Yeah. You also.
Yes.
You're quite the linguist.
Yeah, mane avde che and I can read and write also.
You can read it because it's not easy to read because there's no thing.
Dandi on the top.
So
There's
it
no
throws
roof,
you.
as I call
Yeah,
it.
but it throws you. I've
But
tried
only
reading it.
the ch, the b, the
Couple of different
the,
letters, and the thing just throws you
and
when
the
you take
k
out
are
the
different.
top thing, whatever it's called.
No, it doesn't throw me.
You're fantastic. You're a genius.
I could be.
You could be.
I could be.
We don't know.
In which case,
Wasting
I
your
would
time in
make
this
for
acting.
a
You should be
good-
a scientist. Like a nuclear physicist or something.
No.
I sometimes wonder if when I meet intelligent artists, whether this is the right thing for them.
Yeah, well, the thing is, most people, lots of intelligent people get into this also to have like platform and access.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like John, for example, our good friend Abraham is an MBA, which people don't know.
Yeah. But
Very,
I think
very
it
well educated,
shows...
well read. No, but if you don't know him, you think he's just, average.
But look at his investments and the diversity of them. Look at his production decisions, and I think he's really smart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't know. Never judge a book by its cover. That's what we learned from this
It's
show.
a handsome cover.
Yeah, he's a good looking guy.
Yeah.
Although I'm very straight.
Yeah.
But he's half Parsi, so good genes.
Yeah, good genes. Definitely.
We
good
might as well
genes.
become, I mean, everybody else is, right?
Yeah.
Just join them.
Thoda sa.
Back to Hira. And so they're courtesans, which is a nice way to say
The
wife. And they have power because of
They
their
did actually.
connections. Actually.
No, actually, because and the wives were like kind of like geishas, like so they were very refined. They had like beautiful outfits, beautiful real jewelry, and men from high society were often sent there to learn etiquette, how to sit, how tea must be poured.
This is a sophisticated sort of
Very,
setup.
very,
This is
very.
not
And no one could just enter and say, "I want that."
This is not the place where I found my friend Kunal Vijayakar lying outside in what is called Pila House in Mumbai. That's a whole different experience.
So that's the lowest rung of.
Yeah.
So basically, when there were royal courts here, they would keep like the Raj Nartaki or the state musician, state dancer, state poet. So
we have it now also.
these women kind of now we do also, but they are members of boards and all, na?
I find Arijit is everywhere.
He is?
We have to give Arijit 6 months off.
I don't know if he's everywhere.
IPL,
now.
Dubai, flights, it's too much. I'm like, Arijit, you sit down there for 6 months, beta, and then we'll put you back in.
I don't mind his voice at all.
No, voice is great, but I'm saying it's too much exposure. You have to stop it.
Yeah.
Why are we digressing? We're talking about, so the word courtesan comes from court. Is that what you're telling me?
No, I'm telling you that they were really influential members in the court in the sense that they had, like, from when the royal patronage sort of declined and the British came, the British saw that these women actually wielded so much power. They would know everyone's secrets. They would know who's plotting against the British. So they tried to defame them by saying, these are ordinary sex workers, which was not the case. And these, like, they're notch girls. So they came up with this term, and there were classes of them. So there was the courtesan or the tawayef. There was the mirasins who
So
were...
that's the first class.
Yeah.
The top.
Yeah,
Then
top class.
below that is?
And top class, like Umrao Jan. Like, they could hold a court. They could be like, hey, I'm having a Thumri recital. You are invited. And you are allowed to contribute.
Oh.
It was so, like, exclusive. You had to be invited.
But how do you get to that top rung? I'm asking as a fan.
You have to be really skilled in music or dance.
Oh, so they're real
poetry.
artists. They are not
They're
sex
athletes and artists.
providers.
No.
Oh.
So then beneath them was a rung called mirasins who could perform, but they couldn't hold court. So they couldn't do their own kotha system.
Okay.
And beneath,
But they were performers.
They were performers.
And they were artists also.
They were like Thumri singers.
Oh, okay.
And sitar players and things like that. But like,
So Kailash Kher, where will we put him?
First of all,
Okay, I'm giving you Altaf Raja, Kailash Kher, Arijit, and Falguni Pathak.
I'm not.
Give me positions.
No.
I'm ready.
This position, I'm talking about
200 years ago, but whatever.
100 years
100
ago.
years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which means which one of them was alive?
I just want to say the third rung was Vaishya which was like the Kamatipura.
God, it's like a caste system.
It's not like a caste system. It's actually a art-based system. It's quite cool. It's,
So it's
art-based
but it's art
meritocracy.
positions. It's like sthiti.
Sthiti.
It's like it is. It is.
Yeah.
It's a hierarchy, is it
I
not?
love hearing you speak Hindi, Sanskrit.
हाँ, मुझे हिंदी बात कर सकता हूँ मैं
वाह वाह वाह.
पल्ली और प्रकृति में बात कर सकता हूँ. Also Mandarin and a little bit of Cantonese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shall we do the rest of the interview in Mandarin?
We should not.
Okay, not today.
because we don't have good relations with China. I don't want people to get angry.
But our exports, we really had record imports from China.
Oh, all good.
No, business is good.
Huh.
But they're like थोड़ा road भी बना लेते हैं इंडिया के अंदर.
My only worry is Indian Chinese is Indian Chinese. Please don't take that away.
No.
I love that food.
Yeah, even I
can
love
live off that 7 days a week.
है ना?
My whole
That
thing
vinegar
was.
with the green chili.
No, don't do that. Don't
Why
just say
not?
the things and all, because then it starts looking like it's not great.
No, but it is great.
I wanted to have a cook, Indian Chinese cook for life.
Yes.
Wherever I went, he came with me or she came with me. I want she because I don't like men.
There is an Indian Chinese community actually near Kemp's
Well,
Corner.
you don't have to be from the community. Just someone who can cook well.
They're
And-
chefs.
yeah, chefs. So I don't want them to be in my face all the time. No? So they should be standing there while this interview is going on.
Yeah.
And then we start talking, and immediately soup comes.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, they just can guess that now we're hungry. Yeah, and then whatever.
I'm just.
And I like all the old-fashioned stuff. I have friends who are so let's try, Hakkasan and Pakkasan and all that. Great, not a problem. But I like my chili chicken. I like my prawns and garlic sauce. I like my egg fried
You
rice.
just basically like a Ajinomoto.
I love Ajinomoto. It's got a very bad name for no reason. What has it done to you?
I think it's the motto in the Ajinomoto. People
That's
are like,
just being
"Oh,
fattest.
Moto खा
Don't
के
be
मोटा हो
fattest.
जाता."
That's really.
है ना? Fattest.
Look at poor Patanjali, what they are going through and all that. I mean, everybody's got a bad side. Let it be. We're asking for too much.
I think the bad side was on the cover of that magazine where he was doing that cartwheel, no? Or chakrasan. I don't know.
I think if we get jailed, I'll get a shorter sentence. So
I don't
I'm
think
okay. Yeah.
I took no names.
Yeah. No, but amazing what he could do.
Yeah.
I always think that you should. Why get into pharmaceuticals? I mean, you can do all that. You can perform. You're talking about artists in
Yeah,
Hiramali. This is an artist.
Yeah.
Who can bend backwards in their 50s or 60s and put their head almost between their legs? I mean, it's just amazing.
No, most yogis can who
Can they?
practice yoga. Yeah.
But
that's
is it
kind of
fair
the
to ask
point.
them that we say Namaste Baba and then you say certain cow? I think that would be a bit rude, no?
दिखाते नहीं है वो, but सिखाते अच्छा है.
Can you do that?
I can.
Nah,
do
you
that.
can't do that.
I'm not going to do it now.
Now know you're preggy and all that.
Yeah.
But could you do that? Be honest. Say swear.
After delivery, give me 3 months. I'll send you a video.
You can do these things where your head is like behind your back and all
Yeah.
that.
Except it's not really. When women do it, it's not so unpleasant to look at also because we don't have.
The ugliest woman is better looking than any man, as far as I'm concerned.
Oh, you might.
I'm a huge woman lover in that lecherous, creepy way.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh.
from a distance. Then when
I
you
don't
get to
think
meet
so.
them and all, I find that women bully me a lot. Yeah,
Really?
yeah. Also, then I shave less than them sometimes, and I feel inadequate.
Yeah.
That kind of thing.
Yeah, that's true. But
But honestly, I'd prefer the company of women to men. So I would have been very happy in Hiramandi.
you would have been.
Yeah.
The women
Because it's
were
also
fabulous.
sociability, right? It's
Sociability, yes.
It's companionship. It's not. We've got the wrong idea, I think, about all this.
Yeah, I
You're
think
selling the idea of that this is your club, and this is
Yeah.
where you meet people.
Yeah.
Please correct me if I'm wrong.
so. Yes, and people would like if there was a woman who was to enter the trade officially,
Yeah.
then patrons would have to be invited and they would have to
Selection
offer,
process.
prospects and like be like, hey, I'm from this family.
It's like an Indian Idol show, but
Yes.
with better stuff. Excellent. Okay, we'll take a quick break because we're way over. Richa, you've spoken too much.
Yeah.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On The Habit Coach, Ashton Doctor is in conversation with actress Chandrika Ravi, who is redefining beauty standards in Indian cinema. Discover how she overcame challenges, pursued her dreams, and uses her platform to advocate for women's rights and mental health awareness. On Has It Aged Well, myself Abbas and my co-host Urjita are joined by rapper and podcaster Pratik Lidhu to discuss the cult hit Khosla Ka Ghosla. We talk about director Dibakar Banerjee's unique style, Baman Irani's fantastic performance, and the good old Delhi versus Mumbai debate. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on youtube.com/IVM Podcasts. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week: Omidyar Network India, IDFC First Bank, and ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. Thank you for making this possible.
Yeah, suppose a 1 hour show, it's 39 minutes of nothing. But we'll promote the show as much as we can, which is why we're here.
No, it's okay. You don't have to.
You don't
They're
have
doing
to?
a great job promoting it Netflix.
Oh, over promoting it. Okay, so
No, ठीक
less
है,
on
but I
Hiramandi.
am great in it, guys. I just wanted
Richa is
to
the
say.
best in it. The best.
I,
Oh, what's wrong? I can say it.
No, but if reviews also say it tomorrow, then it'll sound like a conspiracy.
Why is it conspiracy? Art is subjective. हम लोग को पसंद है तो पसंद है. Your
नहीं,
pop like
I
something
worked
else.
very
that's fine.
hard for it. That's true.
Oh, no, that sounds like a Miss India answer.
No, but I really did, man.
Why?
Because with Mr. Bansali, it's not
Tell
easy.
Mr. Bansali, Cyrus Busher makes his own lines. I don't want to see your script. Okay? जब मैं आ गया, light कहाँ है? Light दिखाओ, बस. Position कहाँ है? किसके against? And let's go.
1 second also you will not be able to stand in front of that man.
Apparently, he's a perfectionist in another extreme.
Yes, he's a
See, he's a
perfectionist.
craftsman. I'm an artist, so we will have a problem.
He's an
I have to
aesthete.
create art. He wants you to learn lines and go into positions and all.
No,
that.
no. He wants you to feel.
No, I feel I'll do. Who I have to feel?
What?
A grade, B grade, C grade. चलो मैं C grade भी करता हूँ. What do I care? I've come all the way from Malabar Hill. They're shooting somewhere in Filmistan. What's the big deal? I'll feel. Yeah.
Feel.
He's very funny, but I did an event with him, and he's actually quite witty and funny. And
He's
people think he's a serious guy.
hilarious.
Yeah.
I really had fun working
Yeah.
with him. I had fun, like legit fun. Like exchanging a glance or two, bursting out laughing. Like, yeah, he's just great.
It's amazing how people have wrong perceptions. Farah and him are the funniest people I've met in the business.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I think, but I think he also lets the perception hold and linger because it works for him on a set.
No, but that part is also there now that he's very into his look and this and that.
Yeah,
It's
he
fair.
is. He is.
Yeah.
But if you had 100 crores riding on a basic show, then you would have high
Hey,
standards.
Richa, maybe he's just good at aesthetics. Everyone isn't. Have you
Yeah.
seen Palm Beach Road? When you drive with parts of Mumbai, I'll show you where aesthetics are really. I mean, Sanjay Leela Bhansali should do tutorials just to help them.
Yeah, I
Suddenly you're
think
driving
you
by
should.
and it's like pink and green. Good selection.
I live near Juhu Beach and they've just recently changed all the lights. There's also a hoarding bang in the middle of the sea. Have you seen that?
In the sea.
In the sea, there's
Really?
a hoarding, like a LED hoarding.
Why?
I'm like, I think it's for the
God,
fish.
now
I really think it's for the fish.
now we really like Earth is gone. Let's go for the sea.
Yeah, let's go.
But what's on it?
Sea is going along with the earth, by the way.
What does it say? But I'd love to know what it says. Like
Sometimes it says
Chinga ka
for-
bhav kam hai idhar.
Not jinga kebab. Sometimes it's just random products and like people wearing
You're selling a-
sunglasses and pouting. And sometimes it's like
You're selling
two
sunglasses?
advertised called 98525 like that.
God. Wow. Those hoardings are my favorite.
Yeah.
Where they don't have any work. So they
Yeah.
also.
But I still prefer those really insipid hoardings to a bunch of dudes smiling for nothing.
No, but there we
With
go
the
back.
coconut in the
There
center.
we go back to when the esteemed leader comes from wherever,
Yeah.
and then suddenly the dukandar, who's the richest guy in that area, has put up the poster.
Yeah.
Everybody's position, face size depends on how important they are.
Yeah.
From the big leader to the smaller leader to the dukandar to his
It
cousin, the
reminds me
panwala,
of,
and everybody's there.
Yeah, the Jagrans in Delhi.
Huh.
Like if you gave like back in the day in the 90s, if you gave $1,000, it'd be like, और इन्होंने दिया है 1,001 रुपया, and someone gave $100, they'd be like, इन्होंने भी बैठ दिया और बैठ जाओ.
Again, but that's fair. Because that's now very is capitalism at its best. Because it depends on how much you paid, the intonation becomes better.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm okay with that.
Okay.
But why waste time giving $100 then?
Yeah, that's
Because
true.
they don't appreciate it. You should not give them.
But we are anyway the only people in the world who are constantly paying God.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah. And
We are
not,
like,
not,
you
not
gave
that our-
us everything, सब करता धरता माई
नहीं,
बाप
but-
आप है ये
So
लो
when
100
super rich people do it's out of fear that the things will go. But for normal middle class people and poor people, I'm saying, what are you giving the money for? Because where's that side of the contract?
I don't get the super rich people because I mean
No,
anyway,
super rich people are worried their houses and all. See, they have more to lose, so they're only doing it as insurance.
no, they don't.
Bhagwan,
Banks
we're good,
will
we're good.
forgive their loans and all, no?
Huh.
Banks will forgive their loans or they just take a flight abroad.
It depends on which side of the.
But Kingfisher लेके जाएगा बाहर.
Yeah, poor
बाहर
guy, I
रहेगा.
liked him.
You did? I never met him.
I did so many shows with him. I had good times. I feel that he's not.
He was the king
He
of
should have
good
paid.
times.
He should have paid the employees, and he has suffered for that. But I do feel that there are bigger villains in India.
No,
and they made him
that
into the
logic,
worst.
I just feel like yeah, there are bigger villains but like some die and then they don't pay their employees.
I talking about the guy who got the highest order from Macedonia.
I don't know who this is.
He became he had an airline, and then the
Yes,
airline
yes,
crumbled.
yes.
Then he started in films as well.
Yes, he did.
Let's say he
stuff.
comes from UP. Does that help? That gentleman.
think
we won't take names. We don't
Yeah,
want
we
take
will
names.
not take
No
names.
no
No.
I did one event with him also when I was much younger.
Yeah.
And everybody it was like people saluting him in that feudal way back in Germany.
With
you
his
know?
own
Yeah,
salute.
same name
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all that. And
Yeah, yeah.
and then you were forced to sort of do it because it looked funny. and I had no
I didn't do
feeling.
it. No,
but
no.
I did a half-hearted one, like,
You did.
a gay version of
So
me.
what did
Forgive
it
me.
look like?
Like I was like, let's say the word is kahara pri, so I went like kahari, like I just didn't have my heart in it, and I didn't have anything against him. It's just I was like, oh, why? I don't get it. I don't know. Like, I don't mind touching people's feet when I meet my friends, grandparents, or when I was younger. I don't have an issue. Oh, you're not Hindu, you shouldn't have to do it. That's a big deal. If it makes someone feel happy, it doesn't hurt my feelings. I
Yeah.
do that. But so there's some customs which are totally acceptable, and I think you just run with it. And there's some customs which are like you're hailing someone
Yeah.
who's like a businessman who's doing an event for his birthday, and
Who's expecting a hail?
who's expecting a
My
hail,
problem is with the expectation of the hail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and everyone else is doing it.
I want to tell you a funny story that
Yeah.
happened with a guardman who uses more than one epithet.
Oh,
So we were at an airport and he was surrounded by his own entourage.
Huh.
And he saw me and I saw him and we locked eyes. And then I was walking towards my boarding gate and he kind of paused for me to, and he did this like
where were the chamchas?
chamchas were surrounding him.
Huh?
I had no chamchas, I had a backpack.
No, but his chamchas, I'm saying.
They were there surrounding him.
So then he paused
And he kind of did this like,
as in,
these are my feet, would you touch them?
no,
And
ishara.
इशारा मतलब वो he understood, okay, semi-famous person, very famous, me, God man, selling you agarbatti, and then he just
Okay, disclaimer, I'm not in this podcast.
we didn't name anybody. We didn't name
Yeah,
anybody.
okay, then.
He kind of paused and he was like, and I also paused and I was like, let's have a laugh. I paused, I bent down, I tied my shoelaces.
Oh, you're
And
a
I was like,
bakra
"Hana,
specialist. You're a
bye."
meanie. Poor Ali Fazal. You better be
Bye.
nice to your wife.
No,
You're,
I'm nice to him. He's very nice to me.
you're
I
a bit
love
of a
him.
crusader in your own way. Look at the way you come back. That was a great comeback.
I think it was a great
Yeah.
film. I had no problem
Oh.
respecting the guys if it wasn't with the expectation of the.
No, him telling you. See, if you want to
Not
be such.
telling, it's just that.
No, that he's telling you. Come on. If he's doing this
The
whole
delicate little
hinting
gaze.
up, come on, yaar.
Yeah.
What are we like? He's like, like his next. He look at his watch. Oh, come on. Yeah.
No, I didn't wait for his
How do you?
reaction.
You
I
can't.
just
You
left.
can't force respect. It was
You
just
can't
wrong.
force respect.
This is why I tell people to stop saying sir and madam. They do it out of fear because they are below you in the social structure.
I think they just do it out of colonialism. We are very colonial.
Stop it now, please. Everybody, stop the sirs and ma'ams here.
Yeah.
I hate it.
है
Man.
ना?
In the army and police, it's fine because those
I
are
think
systems.
we had also noticed yesterday. I noticed we are the only people who have attendants in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Why?
So sad. And then
But
they give
why?
you. It's like you're such an invalid. They're giving you that rumal to wipe your finger because you're so dumb. You would know where to get it and do it. And then you feel really bad. I try to smile a little more for them.
I actually
I don't know
tip
what else
them
to
when
do.
I have money because I just feel like it's so feudal. Okay, like people
Yep.
can't wipe their own.
See, that's asking too much. I have no generosity of spirit like that. But I don't mind giving.
I'm very generous.
Jappi.
Jappi, I don't wanna.
You don't understand South Bombay. You see, we cannot be generous. I once, as a young man, I gave a 5 rupee coin to a beggar, and he says, "Hey, ये क्या है? इतनी अच्छी गाड़ी है और 5 रुपया." I was like, "Bancho, this is what I got. You want it? Take it." This is the attitude of the South Bombay beggar. So it destroyed my psyche, and I cannot handle them after that.
I don't think you should pay beggars in Bombay anyway.
So the
They
other
have
day,
a
my
whole
manager and I,
nexus.
Kaustav, we were under the Andheri bridge only, and this lady beggar, like in her 20s maybe, she came and she asked for money, and then she tells him, because he says no money, GPay bhi chalega. Richa, I'm not. Okay, this happened. So then he stopped the car because we were so fascinated. What a great marketing strategy. We were fascinated by this idea. So we sent $10 on the GPay, and it reached her. She had. They're rocking, bro.
That's amazing.
It's amazing.
So basically, you can afford a phone.
You
and
can afford a
have
phone. You're
data
getting money
on
from
it.
everywhere for no reason.
Yeah.
Only politicians and you do this. All the other people are actually working.
Yesterday, I met a sweet beggar who was kind of crying and
It's an out of work actress.
male, really
Used to be an actor.
acted very well. He had like teary eyes and he was
They do
kind of
that.
like podgy. And the minute the thing is, when you go to stereotypical cliche lines, ना, like कुछ खाया नहीं, एक तो लगता नहीं कि कैसा लगता है पूरा परिवार खा के बैठा है.
Yeah,
It was
you got a
this-
great point there because seen that, done that. यार और कुछ दिखाओ, creativity दिखाओ.
हाँ, I know.
Yeah, हम लोग भी बैठा है यहाँ पे. Give us something, ना. Come on, for God's sake, 55 साल के बाद same line. कुछ खाया नहीं, 5 दिन हो गया. I mean,
But
what a...
he was expanded on one whole side of the road.
Yeah.
And I was like, no, you don't look like
Madam, ये
Nari."
gas है.
Oh shit. You read about that beggar family in COVID, in demonetization.
The guy who had money, the flat,
47 lakhs in
47.
chiller
Yeah.
in 1 rupee coins.
Yeah.
So they had to, apparently they got caught because it was so heavy, because they had 47 lakhs. So
In coins.
4 people have gone and taken 47 lakhs in coins.
And but no tax.
No tax.
47 lakhs. If it was used straight away, 20 lakhs gone.
Yeah.
In coins.
Yeah, in coins.
Amazing.
Yeah, but I didn't have no cash.
You don't have cash?
No, I didn't. I even
Hey,
had that.
Tijori खोलो ना. What have you got?
हाँ, कुछ ऐसा इसके लिए पैसा लीगल केस होएगा तो I'll ask for money.
In this area, the only Tijori we can open is Deepak. At the moment, times are not good. Huh.
He's directing a film.
Is he?
Hmm.
Quite a
Also
star when I was a young
starring
man.
in it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. What is that Amir Khan film, the big one, the iconic one?
Uh,
Jo Jeeta.
Kayam. Oh, हाँ, जो जीता वही
Was that the big
सिकंदर.
one? Yeah. Qayamat also, but that was more Amir. Huh.
Yeah, it was cute actually. Cycle
So
racing.
a little while. Yeah. Famous.
Cute it was. Cute.
I used to look like him. But quickly, about pushing buttons, you have 6 films releasing? Or
No,
on
no,
the-
no. We
projects.
just started producing. We
Okay.
actually produced a film called Girls Will Be Girls.
Mhm.
We sent it to Sundance, the film festival, and we won 2 awards there.
Really?
Yeah.
Sundance.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Straight off the bat, your first film.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. Great film. Amazing film.
So now you got pressure because now you've obviously done quality work
Yes, I've done.
going forward.
Yeah. I'm not in it. I'm just purely
No, that's
producing.
not it. You're just like the John Abraham thing we spoke about.
Yes.
He makes his own films which actually show you who he really is.
Yeah.
So when you make your own films, we can actually see another side in the sense that
Yes, yes.
this is
The
fully you.
cerebral side.
No, this is fully you. This
Yeah.
is your creation, not you
Yes.
as a performer.
No.
Oh.
Me and Ali, we produced together.
Make a film on Baba Ramdev.
Um,
I'll practice all the things so I can play some role. I can't play the lead because I can't grow a beard.
why can't you grow a
I
beard?
just don't get a good growth. I look like a Mongolian warrior from the Golden Horde.
I think.
And I
we-
think I have the bloodline. But I have fast twitch fibers. I can ride a horse. And I have no patience.
But can you fall off an elephant?
That's which character are we talking about? There's no elephants in Mongolia.
No,
But they were very good horse riders. Now, they could turn and shoot. They would fake the retreat and they would turn and shoot bow and arrow.
I think
swivel and
now
shoot.
we have to do realistic casting. So we'll have to, if it's actually somebody with a thing nowadays, you know, I mean, we'll have to cast someone with a real thing, like a,
Wow.
don't make me say it like a, if you have a, you know,
Oh, like a defect thingy.
you said it, I
No, not defect. Let's just say not a conventional look. Because there's something different in the face and all that. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, like a, you know, blinking light.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My dad passed away. He was a lawyer. We don't have that cover now. My wife is an artist, struggling. My son is in Canada, struggling. And my daughter, I have no idea what she does except hip thrust 363 pounds. Which is
That's
59 kilos, so that's not
that's
bad.
insane.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not
that
bad,
is
no?
insane.
She psyched out all the boys.
Yeah.
These young rugby boys who are in their 20s and all that. I told them, don't come here now. Because, you know, you have no face to show. Hey, will you help me squat? I'm putting one plate. It's that kind of thing. And my daughter's going, me proud boy.
Yes, amazing. But daughters are amazing.
Daughters are fantastic.
Yeah.
So are sons, but they're very different. Like I told people who have only one child, like one gender, it's like 2 different worlds.
Yeah.
What you have from your son and what you have from your daughter. First, daughters are just very altruistic. That is my
That's
growing up,
true, Trust.
which is very odd because otherwise, with Indian males, you know, lovely as they are, they're not always thinking about you. I can tell you that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't think that changes coming from me. Trust me.
Oh, well, it makes me want to have a daughter.
Oh, you
more
must have
than a-
both. That's not fair because sons are
Both
great.
मतलब,
Sons are great.
That's
but
a lot of
it's
pressure, यार.
नहीं.
एक तो हो जाए.
इतना scientific cheese nahi hai. I'll talk to Ali. I'll explain. It's not that difficult. Actor can take directions, no? If Sanjay Leela Bhansali can get me to walk from here to there, I'll get him to produce a child.
Okay.
And if there's any trouble, there are products. Patanjali. Wait for the court mamla to end, and then they'll be back.
I'm not saying anything.
Oh, I like some of the products.
You do?
I explained to you offline also.
I think many have been banned in several countries for health regulations.
Yeah,
or
so
things.
obviously there are question marks on many, but there are some that work. And I
I
swear by
think the
them.
honey was a sugar syrup, so and somebody just like, and there was sugar at the bottom and then brown.
You mean honey had sugar?
No, the honey was not.
It was not honey.
No, like as in it was not from honey. That's what I read. I could be wrong.
So let's be clear here. It's not your observation, but you heard from a rumor.
No. I read it
You
in
read,
a news
okay.
article.
That
But the newspapers can be wrong.
Can be, absolutely.
Human beings can be wrong. We forgive, but we don't forget.
It's the way of the Bible. The book is not banned so far, so I can quote. Yeah.
Yeah, really, what? Life is too short to be afraid all the time.
No, you're right. I like the way you live your life. We
Hannah?
like, Richa, you be a leader. I want you to stand for elections. I feel no, you'll be a fantastic leader because you're different. You're not a conventional person. You do your own thing.
Yeah,
It's very rare for an Indian who is an individualistic personality to survive.
yeah,
Because this is a conforming society. Let's face it, we don't
Yeah.
conform out.
yeah.
So, and you have.
No, for
not
फिर
conformed.
वैसा क्या? If it like things get really bad and I move to New York, then how can I stand for elections?
By New York, you mean Marine Drive, the vegetarian restaurant, or you mean New York, the city?
I mean Marine Drive, the New Yorker.
Talk to me
Yeah.
now. I know the people.
Amazing.
I know the people.
With the molten cheese.
Yes.
whatever cheese and
Don't knock it.
everything.
It's fantastic. And when we were young, you couldn't get in. Now there's a lot of competition.
No, I mean I'm not knocking it. I've eaten there.
It was easier to get a
I
visa
had
to go to
cheese
New York.
nachos.
Cheese nachos.
I had in 2010.
Really?
Yeah.
And you
But
remember?
I used to love Crystal. Is it still
Yeah,
there?
of course. Right there. Yeah.
Is there, no?
Yeah.
I loved Crystal.
What were you doing in these places?
I was studying in Sapphire College for
Oh,
a
you're a Sophia. She's on the Sophia.
Yeah, I stayed in your parts.
My mother and my aunt and my wife also Sophia.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I did the journalism course. I think your wife and I may have been from the same course.
No, but she sent me some message, asked if she's still doing something, but I don't know what that means also. Will you hang in there for a second? Let's see
Yes,
what this woman
absolutely.
is.
It's so
What is my
cute
wife's
you
name?
wore glasses for it. Aw.
That's just a look, yeah.
I love when I can make Cyrus Brocha blush. That's really
I shaved. now, so you
blushing
can
with
see.
Brocha.
Where can we buy her chicken curry work?
Chicken curry work.
What does that mean?
Uh, so Ali and I started this initiative to help artisans
Yeah.
in Lucknow.
Yeah.
They do hand embroidery,
So
like
she,
Lucknow.
how does she get to it? Like, how do
There's
we?
a website, and I'm very happy to send her a piece.
How does she know all this? She should have interviewed you. I know nothing about you except that you're a famous actress and that you
I'm
like.
not so famous.
No, I follow
I'm
more.
ordinary.
You're not. Stop that.
No, I'm extraordinary. Otherwise, in terms of talent, but I'm not as
We
famous
just
as
said you
some
were the
of
best. We just seen the show and you were easily the best. I won't name 5 girls or 5 women, 5 top class, top of
These
the
are
line
not
artists.
my words, but yeah, I mean, I worked really hard.
I can't lie. I've taken the products. That's all truth. I can't stop myself. Vote for.
Nahi. Just vote, guys.
Yeah. Wait. We can't let you go without doing this. They'll scream at me and they're running out of time.
Acha,
Anything else you need to talk about?
No, but do you know I listen to your podcast?
Oh,
I
God.
want to know, when do you
baby
wear the
involved.
Bombay shirt company
Huh?
yourself?
The Bombay Shirt Company.
Huh?
Oh, the ads are there.
In
Oh,
your voice.
I've never heard the podcast.
हाँ? क्या बात कर रहे हो?
It's too long.
ऐसा बोलने का नहीं
I
है,
watched the
कैमरे
reels.
पे ये काट देना. Reels? You watch reels?
I don't have attention issues. I can't say anything for 1 hour and all.
Yeah.
There are funerals. I was telling them I went to a funeral the other day. I
And
couldn't bear it.
and you were
Just
like,
doesn't-
1 minute हो गया
No,
मैं
the body
जाता
didn't
हूँ.
come for 2 hours almost. Because of some bureaucratic problem at the hospital. And I was the only guy like, okay, like next time, like, can we adjust? And I mean, I was like, come on. I mean,
yeah.
it's not fair.
Yeah,
I mean, I know, I'm not being insensitive to just death and all that, but I'm saying, but what do you want to do?
everyone's got to die. I don't look
Yeah, we
at
can't
death
wait
in a way.
forever, no?
To die?
No, to do the last rites.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also terrible for the family who lost someone.
No, I didn't mean to be rude to them and all
No,
that.
only for them it's terrible. The
Yeah.
person who's gone is like chilling.
because we're not in that same emotional level. So why are we being so insincere? We're
Yeah.
doing our bit as per the laws and
Yeah.
customs of the world. And then after some time, it's like, bro, it's lunch. Sunday dansak. I've got, 1 kilo of mutton dansak with chips, which I like to eat.
Oh.
I'm not, the empathy level changes because, I look in the watch and thinking about the other things. And
But nature works like that. It's cute.
what? The two things together, the duality of life.
Things go on. Circle of life.
Hakuna Matata, as Baba Sehgal sang. Right?
I love Baba Sehgal. I did a reel on him. I'll
Yeah.
send it to you for fun.
Electronic engineer. And every time you meet him, you say, why didn't you do that?
Yeah. Does he come
First
back with the
rapper.
tiki tiki ta ta ta
He's
ta?
great.
He's great. Yeah.
From his early days, he's been on with us.
But I also saw Baba Sehgal, and one day at Oshiwara Signal, I saw Bali Brahmbhatt.
Lovely.
Yeah.
He's faded out of the public eye, but he was fantastic.
Yes.
I think he's in Africa or something. Am I right?
I have no idea.
Lives
that
in-
could be Apache Indian. That was
No,
in the
that
UK.
guy's he's a Brit.
Yeah, he's
This
Brit.
British accent.
Yeah.
I think this guy's from Uganda, one of those countries.
Really?
Yeah. The Gujarati descent, Indian Desi guy, family from there.
Mm.
We're everywhere, by the way. Every time we go on holiday, I ask the travel agent, is there anywhere we're not there? We're everywhere. If you go to Yemen where the Houthis are causing trouble, there'll be one Indian guy doing catering.
Yeah.
So, अच्छा डील मिला मैं मेरे को पता नहीं आतंकवादी है या नहीं पैसा तो देता टाइम पे and you know that's genius of the Indian guy
Yeah,
that he can
that's
work
really
anywhere at any point
Yeah, that's
and not
true.
support them politically or whatever. He'll still be there
Yeah, that's true. That's very true. I've met Indians everywhere.
everywhere.
Yeah.
We went to Brazil for that Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi show 10-12 years back. The moment I enter the airport at Rio, a guy goes, Kasakai Cyrus. I was like, why? What the hell? How? He said, I'm from Mumbai. I'm from Amchi, Mumbai. They're so happy to see Indians,
Yeah,
because they are
right.
really starved. And I was like, but this is not fair. I want only Brazilians.
But no such luck.
No such luck.
Yeah, Brazil would be like amazing.
We're there. We're everywhere. I'm just thinking, is there a country? There isn't. Everywhere. Yeah. And of course, here too many.
Yeah, I mean, I went to like this place called Utah, the
Mormon country,
snow-clad, yes.
Yeah.
And there were a bunch of Indian restaurants.
Really?
Restaurants.
But they don't follow that religion thingy, no? So
Meaning? No, they don't
the
follow
Mormon
it.
culture-
And also Mormons are very pleasant. Like it's in their culture to be sweet and friendly.
yeah.
So they're
they
very
have polygamy, right? You can have many wives. I should try this.
हाँ उसके लिए अपन सुने होंगे हाँ yes they do believe in polygamy and other things
I'll
like
take my products.
no abortion.
I'll need my products.
Yeah, from where?
I'll Indianify Utah. I'll make it into, there'll be hoardings everywhere, posters of me and my family, wishing happy birthday to Cyrus uncle. It'll be so much fun.
Elk meat.
Hey, Richa, welcome back to Cyrus. Why are they welcoming her back? What's
Who is welcoming?
Madman Rocks? These are all regulars that write into us. Would you consider playing an elder person role with wrinkles and all? I think you would rock any role. You're the best, and all the best for your upcoming projects.
I already did a elder person role in my first big breakout role in Gangs of Wasseypur. When I was 24, I was playing a 56-year-old.
56?
Yeah. Which was elder for the time comparatively.
That's fair enough. 24 playing 56 is a proper...
Yeah.
So now...
But I think midway they were like budget zyada hai and they didn't do prosthetics, so they tried to age me in post, and sometimes I just look like a raccoon. They tried to dye my hair henna colored in post.
why would a raccoon look like a 56-year-old Indian
No,
woman?
raccoon as in they just
that face thingy.
no, the dark eyes. Have you
Dark
seen
eyes,
the
yeah,
dark
yeah.
eyes filter kind of look like that. Except
think-
that 10 years ago the CG wasn't so great.
But I think his point is more like, will
You can play any role.
No, are you okay mentally to play a lady who's like very elderly?
Yeah, I am okay, but also why?
No, as if there's no complex about the whole thing. If it was...
No, I've already done it a few times, and it kind of like for the myopic people of the industry, they're just like, oh. I just had like a 47-year-old actress called me Didi in a scene deliberately. So, no, I
the
probably
character.
wouldn't do it. Yeah, the character. Out of the blue, just to showcase her own youth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's
All
this?
this.
Who's this woman?
I'll tell you off camera.
Attack everybody else, but there's one actress who can't fight back, saying anything.
Yeah, because she's very. I'm not fight back. No.
But she won't talk to you.
No, I just block out toxicity, especially now.
Why do women get like that about the age thing? Look, I've grown up with all these beautiful VJs, and they're all really fantastic. I love them all, but the sad part of the matter is they never tell their age. And I know
Really?
all their ages, and I'm dying to just write a book saying this is what their age is. This is their birthday. This is...
I don't know why. Because everyone ages. It's the
See,
one
they do-
thing we all
and they
have
all
in
look
common.
nice
They
for their
all look
age. It's,
great.
what are they worried about? If they go back to their class photos and all, there'll be, Nandini, their best friend, who's now really lost it and looking really old, and you look much younger than what you are. So why can't we just tell the world the truth?
I would.
VJs, let me talk.
Yeah.
I
Tell
can't.
all by
I
Cyrus.
can't. They all like me and that'll just
The
end in 1
MTV
second.
days.
Yeah.
Before roadies.
Well, before, during, we continue thinking we're the best. Even though
Yeah.
nobody knows who you are.
No, you are the best.
It was a good generation.
It really was.
Then there was no VJ really after that. No, after Ranvijay and all, there's no VJ.
No,
The VJ
there's
culture
no VJ.
disappeared and just the
Yeah.
roadies became
There's
actors.
a bunch
and-
of louts who go to
Yeah.
like these Splitsvilla and all this.
Yeah.
Like,
Or they put on a performance act. Some of them are actually normal people, but they just act worse than they are.
yeah.
feel
I think
sad.
that's a criteria.
You have to. You get into
क्या
the.
बोला तू मेरे बारे
Yeah.
में?
Suddenly you're snapping.
Yeah.
Exactly. Suddenly you're vernacular.
Yeah.
When you're not really, suddenly you're, huh? क्या बोला? You don't actually talk like that. But oh, we're good at bitching. You
Yeah, we are.
Give us a name. We'll kill that guy.
Yeah. अगली बार मैं मटर की थाली लेकर आऊंगी.
Done.
साथ में छीलेंगे.
Oops. Last time you got Ali Fazal to side. It says, who else can you get as a guest on this poor, awful show? Says Langru.
Langru.
But this is a question to me then. Yeah. Can you send us someone? Who else can we get?
Who do you want?
See, we love you guys who are these real artists who do real films and not to, against
Have you had
superstars.
like fun people like Zoya Hassan or
But no.
Jim Sarb or
How do we get them?
I'll
Jim is a
talk to
Parsi.
them.
There must be some cousin who slept with him. I'll find out. Then
उसको बुला सके. You can get Kalki. She's really hilarious.
we got Kalki, but it was during the COVID thing and Pretty Women we must get in live. No,
Yeah.
there are all enough people we can do online.
Kalki is amazing.
Let's get Kalki. Again.
Yeah.
Are you friends?
Yeah.
You put in a good word.
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Tell her we'll pay conveyance.
मुझे तो नहीं दिया.
Taking for last time also.
Please 250 रुपए ले. 500 रुपए ले.
You live here.
I know, but rickshaws are expensive.
Juhu, na? Where do you live?
Juhu.
So how much is it?
I really
You
didn't.
don't even know, na? You richer? Rich and richer. That's what it means. It's richer. She's richer than all of us. That's what it really means.
No, not at all.
You're getting us Kalki, you said so, done.
Yes, I live on rent, by the way, just saying.
You live on rent. But that's the new way. Doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, also properties in Bombay is like this matchbox is for 6 crores.
That's
Buy it
true.
now.
Hey, you guys come to the north. Why would you even bother to live in this stupid matchbox?
Absolutely.
I feel so bad for Delhi friends because
I
they,
want to say
they
after
feel like
COVID,
failures and they made more money and they have worse lives.
the work from home situation allows the government to give you back 30% for GST rebate if you show your house as an office.
Hey,
My house is my office, actually.
yeah, my office is my house because we had hard times.
Very good. So you can claim a 33%.
Oh, I have to pay more.
No, you
Check
don't.
with-
You don't pay. You pay what you pay,
Huh.
and at the end of the financial year, if the government is on time, which it rarely is,
Which reminds
give
me,
you
now you're
some-
saying pay what you pay. Sare Saukar, start paying GST. They're on to you. They're the odd artists who think, oh, GST grey area hai, maine bharunga paisa.
कौन बोला?
I won't take names, Saukar.
Sahukar. I love Cyrus Sahukar, by the way. If you have him and me together, this
Next.
could be a 4-hour.
Let's do a show. That'll be
I'm-
so much fun.
I'm such a fan.
Let's
of
get
his.
Ali, Sao, you and me, 4 of us.
However, Ali will not stand a chance.
No, Ali, but
He'll
we
just
want
laugh,
different
he'll just
dynamics.
fall down
We can't have
laughing.
just loud mouths, due respect. We have to mix
Yeah.
it up.
Yeah, we should
Okay,
mix it up.
Ali's cancelled. Who else can we get?
No,
then?
we can get Ali.
Now it's too late. Now you said no to him.
No, I'm just telling you,
It's on
Ali will
camera, I can't lie.
provide the laughter track.
Ali, be careful.
Ali will only provide the laughter track because when he starts laughing, he
Is
can't.
that why you married him? You want,
Also, he's so cute.
You want the background. Your husband background.
Yeah, it's great
Does he
validation,
find you
especially
funny?
when you crack a bad joke.
No, but does he find you funny? Because that's the whole thing about couples over
He
a period
finds
of...
me hilarious.
Really? That's
yeah.
very charming, huh, if it stays.
Of course, it stays.
You're sure, no?
Yeah, humor doesn't die. I also find him funny.
Ali will come and say, एक बात बताओ.
कभी-कभी मैं मजबूरी में हंसता हूँ.
Yes. That's called marriage.
No such thing.
Okay, how do you deal mentally with internet trolling? Do you have a social media team? Lucknow says, hi, love you. Disco station.
Oh, no, I don't have a social media team. I used to, but then I don't because I don't want to trust people with my passwords.
Trolling. Since you call a spade
Yeah.
a spade, you don't
Yeah.
hold back.
Yeah.
One of the few gutsy people left in the world.
Yeah.
You have to pay for that because there's jokers who just have nothing else
But
to do. When they
really, who cares?
You don't respond.
I respond sometimes when I want
If
to
they're
like...
witty, you respond.
No, I wouldn't. It depends on my mood. Like imagine I'm stuck in a jam and I see this really
kill time, yeah.
like this guy with like there's a hole in his chaddi and a hole in his banyan and he's sitting there frothing at the mouth. I love those guys. I'm just like, oh, maze kare. And then
Yeah.
I just reply to them.
Yeah. I wonder if they do 7 takes, if it's still the same.
Yeah,
know?
I think it's just that like lack of anything good in life.
Pent up.
Yeah, completely pent up, like sexually repressed, financially broken, no hope in life, really ugly, losing hair like no one's business.
My biggest problem, I keep saying this, is that
Sometimes comebacks are funny. Like there was this guy who was replying to me, and by the way, I get trolled by the left and the right ecosystem equally.
that's fine.
That's normal.
Yeah.
So there was somebody trolling me from the right ecosystem, and they were just like, oh, and they had a really weird display photo. So I was just like, add a Hitler mustache to that. It goes well with your receding hairline. and he blocked me. He changed his
Oh, he got
DP.
offended.
Yeah, men have fragile egos.
Man, I remember I had a girlfriend. This guy used to call her up at landline days in the 90s and say all kinds of words like, Rundy and this and sexual thing and all. So I told her that next time he calls, just start everything he says, say it about his mother. Just say, I don't want to get into it because it's really gandhi shabd, but so then she did that. So whatever he said, oh no, aapke mummy ke jaise, aapke mummy wohi hai. He got offended
Yeah.
and he screamed at her and put the phone down. He couldn't take it. But suddenly his pure mother has been put in that, It just exposes us for such cowards that we are.
Yeah.
Because suddenly when the battle lines are
And
drawn,
this
it's like,
guy-
oh no, इन्हें बोल सकता है, how can you say that? She's my mother.
I swear I saw
Hmm.
this guy. He was so ugly. Like even his own mom would have been like, who boiled you and put you in the world? And he had no chin. He just had like
Today
patchy
he's a
skin.
successful actor.
No. He's not. He was just a random troll. And I saw that he was trolling
You're seeing a pic here.
Aishwarya Rai.
Oh.
I went into the DP. I was like, you
He
look
hates
like
beauty.
the back of my chappal.
No, but it
and
makes
you're
sense.
trolling Aishwarya Rai. Like,
But he hates beauty, so it's all making sense. He doesn't like pretty women.
yeah.
So he's only trolling pretty women.
Apple नहीं होता है काट के टेबल पे रख दो after a few days it oxidizes and
Yeah, the
becomes
brown
like a
color
prune.
comes and
yeah.
that it looks like it's dying.
That was
Yeah.
his DP basically.
Oh, wow.
So I was just like, and
You have
I don't know.
destroyed the company, Apple, in
It's-
one go.
No, Apple is great. I love Steve Jobs and the new chap also.
What
Very
his name
nice.
is,
Well done.
Timothy
Ah,
Cook, no? Who's the Apple
Tim
guy?
Cook, yes. He's a good cook. But I'm saying
Why? Why? Because you were the comedian? We had to go there?
Yes.
I mean, really? So sophisticated commentator otherwise, and then you just couldn't resist, no? You're like a Delhi girl now.
Delhi girl.
Bolna padega. Ouch, that was fun.
Oh God.
So, about the troll. So, honestly, tell me, does it bother you? No.
No, it doesn't bother me. Only one time it bothered me when I got accused of something that I hadn't done, and then I saw that they were posting like photoshopped fake articles, and then I was like, hey, well, by the way, which publication is your Sasta Tatti Photoshop from? So they all ran away.
They don't,
I swear.
doesn't reply?
No, because it's not factual. To have a publication, like if I'm saying
Well, you don't-
Cyrus is an awful man, it needs to have a headline. It needs to have the name of the paper, a date, rupees 150 per edition or something like, and so ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
But no social media team. Considering
No
that you're
social
active and
media
really
team.
active. But
No.
to handle all these people, you don't keep someone.
No,
A wicket keeper to take care of business.
no, not. I had someone, but they were just making random like Happy Valentine Day and all. I was just like, this is not what I need. We're not at the
Then
same
you suddenly
IQ.
don't sound like Richa, no?
No.
Suddenly it's very, thank you, ma'am. So those kind of
Yeah,
messages.
I know. It's just like not fun.
I want to
I
one-
need some. Actually, this is a great. Like I'm guessing people who listen to your podcast are smart. If you're a good video editor, you have wit and you can write and
No,
your
they leave the
IQ is-
company. Don't forget about them. These guys go out of the room. She wants to talk to the camera. You guys go out.
You're assuming they don't listen to your own thing. Ahmad is dying. He's like, okay, done.
He
done.
lost interest when he said good morning.
The minute, when his glasses come here and the eyes are above that, he's out of the room. He's
Also,
done.
don't forget they see us every day. In your case, like for how many years now? So
Yeah.
I mean, then what are you saying that he doesn't know? He'll probably write it down
But
for
still,
you.
it's faster today, no?
Yeah. He's like a-
Normally, it's like आप अपने किरदार के बारे में कुछ
Oh,
बताएं.
why do they do that?
I don't know. I think it's their level.
It's the same
of
5 questions
brain.
all the time. I mean, aren't they
Yeah.
bored?
It's very boring. Yesterday, I yawned on camera a few times, and I was just like, pregnancy.
Oh,
But
sweet. You can get away with anything now.
yeah,
You can actually attack political institutions and say, oh, what to do? माँ बनने वाले.
I was hoping that'll happen later. कि अब मैं माँ हूँ.
Oh, now untouchable?
Yeah,
You
now
think?
untouchable. Yeah,
We'll find out soon.
yeah. I'm gonna do a Mother India poster also.
What's the Mother India pose actually?
You know वो जो हल लेके ऐसे नरगिस जी का
Is it
है.
like that?
Like the song is दुनिया में
So
जो
it's
आए
like
हैं.
Atlas female.
दुनिया में जो आए हैं तो जीना ही पड़ेगा.
But does this explain position of hands?
No, there was a hull. What do you call a hull in English? A
So
plow.
it's-
A
the
plow. So
plow
she's
is-
holding a plow in a field
Uh,
and crying and basically being a farmer.
wow.
Which is great. Most 70% of rural workforce is women. Just
Is
throwing
it?
that in there.
Is that true?
Yes.
You just threw that out.
No, it's true.
Wow. I should get into the farm country just to meet chicks. I mean, if I was young, it would be a smart thing to do. I mean, always where the match is good is where you should go.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, everywhere we went, we were
I don't
always
think
like,
they'll want to meet you because they'll be like super impoverished, dehydrated,
so
working all
what?
the time. Tan.
Never get class and cast into
No class and
all
caste.
this.
No, बेचारे वो थके
A
हुए
pretty
हैं.
woman is a pretty woman. And a lecherous man is a lecherous man. And that's a beautiful combination. Richa.
Yeah, that is a beautiful
Why are you
combination.
laughing, uncle? You also like this visual. हाँ मेरा standard बहुत low है. मैं तो चूतिया हूँ. Is that? I like that. That's the way we should think.
I didn't abuse
We have
even
no
once
standards.
on this. Huh, no.
You're not abused.
No, I mean,
You know,
I'm
my
saying
wife
today I
abused
haven't
only
abused.
during this pregnancy thingy. I think it really brings out like
I
anger and all
abuse, I
that.
abuse, which is funny because I grew up in a household where we were not allowed to say stupid also.
Really?
My mom was like, no violence of the words.
Really? So you went the other way. Moment you could, you
I
went.
don't know what happened to me, huh?
Say some galis. Let me hear how it sounds. Like what would you if you were driving in Delhi back in the day and all that, and some guy cuts you and what would you say?
I know, रहने दो.
बोल. Eh, देख के जाओ गाड़ी. And now what would be your reaction?
Uh, it's happened to me here, by the way. There used to be a mall called Megal Mall in Goregaon. I had gone for an audition looking like a bahu with like bindi and jhumke. So this guy, he reversed in front of a U-turn and he banged into my car. Then he got off, seeing that it's a pretty lady, and he came and he was like, "Lady, what?" Then I let my inner Delhi out, and he quickly ran.
Oh. And he said, "Madam,
No,
ठीक से चलाओ गाड़ी."
No,
he was only that much.
you can beep this out.
No beeping it. We are sending it to Delhi.
No,
when
please.
Kejriwal
My
gets out,
mom
this is
will
what he'll
be-
hear
my
first.
mom
This is
will
what
be
he's fighting for.
heartbroken. I only care about my mother. I don't care about the rest of the world receiving me.
This is the truth now.
This is the
Tell
truth.
mom not to watch this episode now. We've said all kinds of wrong
She
things.
probably doesn't watch this episode.
Yeah, I'm sure she
Yeah,
doesn't.
yeah,
Why would I even presume? She's
yeah.
a very
She
learned
doesn't know
person,
what
you
to-
said.
Yeah, she is an academic.
Then
And
academics don't watch this show.
Yeah.
Come
no.
on. Don't be silly.
No, I am trying not to be silly. Do you remember we were at a book launch ages ago?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your mom was there?
No.
Oh.
I don't know. I just thought I'll remind
Wow.
you.
You're really taking some medication now with the pregnancy that I'm not able to.
I have brain
The
fog.
segue was from God. That was a young Messi. The way you passed that ball, I was.
No, I
like,
think
didn't see
उससे
that.
निकल के भी मैंने किसी को गाली दी थी, so I made a connection.
Oh. Well, you're not telling. You're letting the inner Delhi out here.
No, I just let it out. No, on
Yeah,
the
yeah.
side
little
like
bit-
that.
I heard it.
Yeah,
I
but
heard
he
it
ran
clearly.
away.
Of course, yeah. Mumbai
Because he
galis are.
shat.
Delhi galis are
He
like.
just shat. I saw
like
his
50
landy hang
Yeah,
out from his bum. He just ran away. He took a U-turn and went.
And-
And I did nothing. I literally was on the signal.
And you were dressed like a bahu.
I was
That's the
dressed
best
like
part.
and
So he
I
didn't
looked so
expect-
cute. I had a gajra
Yeah.
and all that. I was
Next
looking
time
like
dress like that.
Pavam. Yeah. Next time dressed like that.
Yeah.
I was about to. That's my Hira Mandi look.
Is it?
Yeah.
It may be.
Yeah.
We'll have to check it out.
Yeah, you must. Actually, yeah. Just
But they're all, from what I remember, they're all elegantly dressed. There's
Yes.
no.
No,
what's
there's
the word?
nothing.
There's no,
No,
item
no.
number style kind
No.
of nothing like that.
No.
There's a lot of elegance and
elegance, class,
Class,
cleavage.
and cleavage. Cleavage is okay. Cleavage,
Cleavage is
class, yeah.
beautiful.
I mean, I have cleavage. What's cleavage?
Yeah.
Stop.
Beautiful. Are you going to do that again? No.
Okay, if it makes you happy. But if once your baby's born and you're tired, you need someone to feed. Look no further. Talk about Mother India, huh, boys? Hey, we got one more.
I'm dying,
We got very
okay.
long, yeah. What's the weirdest thing you've ever Googled at 3 a.m. in the morning? Disco station.
You really want to know?
Whatever, three-
It's gross.
It's okay if you
So
want to
this
be
is
open.
when we were in the. I had a night spend from my girls' hostel, and my friend had just made out with a guy.
Okay.
Like they kissed at a bar, and she was very excited. She was like, "I felt like there was fur on his tongue." So then we googled candida on the tongue at 3 a.m. I
And?
told you it was gross.
So
And
there
a lot
is-
of people have candida on the tongue.
Candida's like cilia, hair piece.
No, not
follicle.
hairpiece. It's a kind of fungus, I want to say.
Fungus. Why would he have a fungus in his mouth? He went down on himself first. And then he said, let's kiss now. Mere paas bhi kuch hai. Let's share this. It's a horrible story. Who's this girl? Is she
She's
she still
happily
like men?
married and to an American man.
Oh, you women are so cruel. I mean, men think, that we can
No,
say
the
anything.
thing
I
is
would love
we-
to know how you bitch about us.
No, if you Google why is my boyfriend's tongue less pink than it should be, candida is one of the first things that'll show up.
Oh.
Yeah.
But so she felt fur. Like she felt
No,
like...
she felt like she was a bit furry.
Hey, come on, that's an odd feeling on a tongue.
Yeah, it's
Not
a
that I
gross
can't remember
feeling.
last time I touched anyone's tongue, but yeah, fair. So could it be food?
No, I think it was just a. You Googled, it's a real thing. Some people have it.
We have a show. Idea
Yeah.
for the show.
Gross things that happen to the human body. You asked for it. I told you it was a gross
No,
story.
it's not gross. It just has to be a true story. You could
Yeah,
have made that up. That I
it's
know
a-
for a fact.
Yeah, I can't.
Did
I
she see
didn't
the guy
make that.
again?
No.
And did they make love without kissing?
That was the first and last time she
How
met
sad.
him.
Where's the romance in that? She was all excited and all. I kiss this
You know,
guy.
sometimes I think fungus kills the romance.
So the next day, the euphoria is down, and then you suddenly think of the. I get it.
Yeah.
Probably happened to lots of girls who kiss me.
Yeah.
Wake up in
What?
the morning. Wake up in the morning saying, "Oh shit." I'm sure. I mean, those are the old days.
But
Let's
yeah,
get
those
girls
were
drunk.
the old days.
Let's
We
get-
changed his name to Fungus Among Us after that.
Is he now a managing director of some huge company?
No.
What's his?
I think he's a loser only.
How sad.
I know.
Probably somebody I know.
No. No. No.
Okay, Risha, we've reached the end. It's 1 hour 20 minutes.
I know what
This
the
is too
hell,
long.
man.
Too long.
I'm late.
You're late? Oh,
No.
okay. Listen. We have a midwife here. Sir, come on.
This will be like one of those stories without primary.
Is it possible you
healthcare.
could? There's still a couple of months to go, right?
Yeah.
So it can't happen right now.
No. Yeah.
All I
that
can do is move
was-
my boobs. I mean, will this help, Richa? I don't know what else to do. Shut up and push. Oh, God. I need my wife. She's the one for emergencies. Not me.
Oh, but you made me laugh so much. It's probably good for the baby.
Oh, I hope so.
Yeah.
But happy vibes is good for the baby. So
Yes.
in a happy environment.
I've been very comfortable. Touch wood.
Yeah. Where are you going now? You said you're late for something.
हाँ मतलब वैसे घर की तरफ जाऊंगी and I'll do
Sound like
one
a
more
South Bombay
interview.
socialite.
No, I'm really
घर
far
की तरफ
from.
जाऊंगी, but you're going for a meeting.
I'm going for something that Ahmed is lined up. See, otherwise I have all this
She's-
makeup.
She's going to be a mother. अभी इतना
See,
काम
that's the Mother India part. दुनिया में जो आए हैं तो जीना ही
But you hold the
पड़ेगा.
plow like that.
Yeah, I'll send you a
Because it comes
poster.
from back.
Actually, you know what? I'd love
You'll be
your
holding it.
number.
No, you'll be holding it like this.
Can I?
That's
I
why it's
follow you
wrong.
on Instagram. Can I send you some cringe and trash content?
Please.
Thank you.
That's me.
That's
You've
amazing.
just made my life easy.
Yeah.
But it's like this. This is the whole. You don't hold it like that.
No, it
hold it like
was
this.
held like that in the.
It's held like that in the poster.
Iconic.
Rishi, you are a big Mother India fan. Fucking
Rishi-
Man City lover.
Rishi hai na,
When's the last time
aisa?
you saw him?
Like the
Yes.
boom mic.
Like the boom mic.
It's held like a boom mic,
Like a
actually.
boom mic. That's where the boom mic comes from.
Yeah.
So every time they hold the boom mic, they think Mother India.
I'd-
Okay. Oh,
We have
you're
to-
right. He's sent
Yeah,
it. We'll,
I told
we'll add
you.
that picture on. Yeah, wow. Okay. I better, Priya Dutt was on the show. I better be nice. Hope she doesn't think we're being.
One of the iconic movies of Bollywood.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Thank you, Richa. It's called, what's the show called?
IVM.
No. Mandi
Cyrus says.
House.
Mandi House. No.
No.
Hira Mandi.
Hira Mandi. Hira Mandi. Hira Mandi. One of us knew.
Which we rarely
One of us
spoke
knew.
about. Yeah.
No. That's why you're here.
Yeah.
By the by, वो हो गया ना कितना जबरदस्ती है. We can't.
नहीं करने का भी नहीं ना.
People are sick of it.
अच्छा
also.
ऑडियंस भी अलग है.
Hi, welcome to the show. आपके
Audience-
कैरेक्टर के बारे में कुछ बताओ. प्लॉट क्या है? I heard you had an interesting scene with so and so. Who fucking cares?
That's true.
Sorry.
I agree.
Yeah.
I think things could be more interesting.
Yeah, I think you're fantastic. We just have you come here and talk. That's it.
Yeah, na?
Of course,
I think in pregnancy I should start my own podcast.
getting pregnant again?
No.
Not so soon, no?
No, maybe not again.
Something you want to share?
No.
You can't be pregnant yet. It has to. This is scientifically, I know. Me
Yeah,
and
it's
Baba
like a vending
Ramdev.
machine. You know, it takes time.
Yes.
One thing has to
You have to
come
wait for
down.
vacancy. When there's vacancy, then
You heard a song called No Vacancy?
Of course, what are you
Ah,
saying?
yes,
I'm a
man after
90s
my own
kid.
heart, yeah.
I grew up on the
Amazing.
no vacancy.
Amazing.
I think Mamta Kulkarni's video is in it or something.
No. I think that was another singer. I don't know her
Some
name,
actress.
but she was amazing. We have to go. We should.
Say bunch of words.
You know, in school, we were like, we couldn't abuse, so we would say adventure. You know that one?
No. But it sounds funny.
Adventure.
Adventure. Adventure. Nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
This is school time humor.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's been fun. We love you.
Richa, if the kid comes out in the first season, says, adventure.
It's possible.
Oh, wow. Bye.